So this is the wireless microphone for iPhone that I bought. 2 transmitters, 1 receiver from Kingwell. Plug and play, 20 meters accessible reception, precise audio, clear, timbre, precise radio. Highly sensitive and widely compatible. So we'll see. So let's open this now. Okay, it's a small box. See the size? Small one. And there you go. Wow, nice packaging. This is a new release that I found from Amazon for 2023. Lavalier Microphone, manual, 2 transmitters, so you got that. I'm just kind of concerned about this thingy because it's very noticeable on your lapel or clothing, or unlike the other ones. The most common one is the black one, foam, and we have, what's this? The receiver, and this is the cable for the charging. And yeah, USB cable charging, or let's see, yeah, for the 2. So you plug in the normal USB charger and you get the 2. Let's see, dual. So I'm gonna use this from the one for iPhone for charging. So let's see. There you go. You see the light? Red. Red. This one I was not able to push all the way. Oh, let's push it all the way. There you go. So according to the manual, this red light means it's charging. Then it goes off when it's fully charged. So we'll give it about an hour and check again. Now it's fully charged. You can see no more lights, red light. And it only took a few minutes actually. So I think they already charged it in the factory. So I'm testing the mic outside because it's windy. We'll be able to test if the reception is still good. And I'm wearing it. You see all this furry that will filter out the wind noise. So we'll find out. And see how far can it receive good sound, or my voice. As you can see, I'm walking farther from the receiver. This is the microphone transmitter. And 20 feet or 20 meters is about 65 feet. You can Google it later. And I'm just walking around my backyard. It's windy, but it's sunny. It's late February, so it's about probably peak of winter. So I'm here. Is it still clear? We'll find out when I edit the video. So this is as far as I can go. Let's go around, see if it can still pick up nicely my voice. not that you can see me in the video. Maybe I'm gonna go back to show myself again in the video. Oh, let's just go at the back. Well, there's really no back. Oh, dropped. I'm sorry. Oh man, I'm back because of the strong wind. Blinking red. Now let's turn this on. There you go. Acquire the signal, solid green and solid red. Let's turn it off. Blinking red, no green light. So this is the on. Just press it. Solid red, solid green. So that's how you use it. Don't forget it, because it's very easy to forget about turning it on. If I turn this on without plugging this receiver to a phone, take a look. It will be blinking. Blinking red. This one won't receive any signal because it has to be plugged into the phone to have some power. I'm gonna turn it off now. So now we'll test this with two microphones. My wife is wearing one and I'm wearing the other. So we'll put it a little bit on this distance. And I'm gonna go as far as I can to the fence. So Mama, just if you think the wind will topple it down again, similar to what happened, it toppled again. So say hello, Mama.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is it cold?
It is very cold.
Wow. So as you can see, or you can hear, my voice is still clear in the audio received. And can you still see me, Mama?
I can see you.
Good. Okay. So this is as far as I can go. And we'll just ask her to say something while I'm far. So what are your plans today, Mama?
Continue working.
Oh my, are you gonna cook for dinner for
No.
all of us? Like you always do? Delicious food? My wife, by the way, is a great cook. I'm already far, but I don't think you're gonna do vlogging this far. I'm gonna go around. And Mama, can you watch out for the tripod? It fell before. So that's really it. So Mama, are you getting cold?
It's very cold.
You wanna get in now?
Yes.
Okay. I guess this testing is done.